The late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, along with his wife, holds stake in various Indian companies. Now, this is as per the data that BSE gives on their website, where they disclose the names of the investors who own more than 1% stake in any company. So, the Jhunjhunwala family in total holds stake in nearly 27 listed companies, and its portfolio value stands at close to 62,600 crore rupees. Now, the family's investment are spread across large, mid caps and the small cap stocks. They not only own large cap stocks like Titan, Tata Motors and Indian Hotels, but they also own small cap stocks like Bazaar Style, Aptech and Singer. Now, amid the fall that we have seen in this Indian equity markets, the family has seen their net worth erode by a massive 10,300 crore rupees so far in 2025. Now, this is nearly a drop of 14% so far in 2025. Now, to be sure, in 2025, the Nifty 50 index, which is the Indian benchmark index, has declined by nearly 7%, while the broader markets, that is the Nifty Mid Cap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100, have declined by 16 to 21%. Now, all of the 27 companies in which the Jhunjhunwala family owns a stake, none of them have managed to stay in green in 2025, and the biggest decline was seen in Aptech. The share prices of Aptech is down around 39%, while the least decline was seen in the share price of Metro Brands. That stock is down just 6% so far in 2025. Nearly half of the stocks that the family owns have witnessed a sharp decline of 20%. Value-wise, if you look at the stock which has contributed the most decline to Jhunjhunwala family's net worth, is Inventures, a knowledge solution. Now, this company is promoted by the Jhunjhunwala family, and the net worth decline contributed by this stock is close to 1,440 crore rupees. Star Health, yet another company which is promoted by the Jhunjhunwala family, is the second biggest contributor to the net worth decline by around 1,380 crore rupees by Star Health. So, to sum it up, there are around 3 stocks which have led to more than 1,000 crore net worth decline for the Jhunjhunwala family. 4 companies have contributed anywhere between 500 crore to 900 crore. 9 companies have contributed anywhere between 100 to 300 crore, while the remaining 10 companies have contributed anywhere between 8 crore to 89 crore to the net worth drop of massive 10,300 crore rupees that the Jhunjhunwala family has seen in 2025.